My name is Scarlett Harrod. I live in Durham, North Carolina. I'm in the energy industry and have always been interested in the technology, the environmental impact, and also the financial case for solar. So when it was time for installation, I really appreciated that Southern Energy Management was able to work with me on a timing that worked for my schedule where I could be around. And when the crews showed up, they were prompt, nice, excited, professional. They were really respectful of my space, taking shoes on and off every time they were running up and down my carpeted steps. I have pets. They were great with the pets. They totally cleaned up after themselves. It was a clear, turnkey project. The solar panels on my roof are offsetting 90% of my utility bills. It's so helpful to see real-time energy usage. You can really see the patterns and you can potentially make changes. To know that I'm adding value to my home over the amount that I'm actually paying, it's such a good investment all the way around, and you really have the data and the information to back up those decisions. I'd say my expectations were pretty high. Southern Energy Management really exceeded those expectations and really just felt like a partner the whole time.